Alright, this video is going to show you how to replace your four-wheel drive switch on a 2008 Jeep Liberty. I believe it's the same for 2008 through 12 and also Dodge Nitros. So to show you from the side, this is pretty simple. There's clips under here. Now you can use your hands, or I typically use a plastic spackle blade so you don't nick your plastic. So lift the rear part up, slide it a little bit, and pop it up. And then you'll see underneath there's a connector for your four-wheel drive switch. It's just a little squeeze button here and pops off. These are the 4 tracks that these clips fit into. So if you're replacing your switch, push these tabs that were closer to you out first, then these, and out it pops. Real simple. And it goes together pretty simple too. And I hope that helps.